Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Feliz Navidad decorations is probably one of the most sought-after items during the holiday season, adding a touch of festive cheer and cultural richness to your Christmas celebrations. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect decorations, from vibrant colors and traditional motifs to modern interpretations, ensuring your home radiates warmth and holiday spirit. Number 5. Feliz Navidad Banner Kit. Get ready for a festive celebration. This kit includes everything you need to create a stunning Spanish Christmas display. Inside, you'll find a beautiful Feliz Navidad banner and 8 double-printed cutouts with hanging swirls. It's easy to personalize your space. A little assembly is required for the banner, but don't worry. Strings and a plastic needle are included to make it quick and simple. The hanging swirls come pre-assembled, so you can just unwrap them and hang them right away. It's that easy. With this kit, you can transform your home into a vibrant Spanish Christmas wonderland. Enjoy the festive cheer. It's the perfect addition to your holiday decorations, bringing joy and warmth to your celebrations. Start decorating today. What we like? It includes pre-assembled hanging swirls, saving you time. The banner is double printed for a vibrant look. If you're looking for a quick and festive decoration, this is perfect for you. What people say. Fit perfectly with my Christmas decor. The size and colors of the letters are so vibrant. Very easy to set up. Looks nice. Beautiful sign. Number 4. Feliz Navidad Papel Picado Banner. It's lightweight and easy to hang, adding a touch of festive cheer to your celebrations. Get ready to create a beautiful and memorable atmosphere. It comes pre-assembled, simply hang it with tape or string. You can easily customize its length to perfectly fit your space. Perfect for weddings, parties, or any festive gathering. It adds an elegant and unique touch to any event. Showcasing traditional Mexican folkloric designs, it brings a vibrant and festive atmosphere to your celebration. Handcrafted in Mexico by skilled artisans, it's a high-quality product you can trust. We offer free returns within 30 days. As a US-based company, we are committed to providing authentic Mexican papel picado and excellent customer service. Contact us with any questions. What we like? With over 60 feet of papel picado flags, it offers great value and length. It's made in Mexico with authentic designs. If you appreciate handcrafted, traditional decorations, this is the choice for you. What people say. What I liked was that they were easy to put up. My family has a Mexican restaurant and we put these up for the Christmas spirit, and it was such a beautiful touch it added to our atmosphere. Beautiful work is worth the price of these banners. Number 3. Feliz Navidad Banner Kit. Get ready for Christmas with this festive banner kit. It includes everything you need to create a stunning holiday display. This kit contains a beautiful gold glitter Feliz Navidad banner and a matching garland of gold circles. It's perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to your celebrations. The unique design is perfect for Christmas parties and home decorations. It's also great for hanging on Christmas trees, creating a strong festive atmosphere. It's made from high-quality, eco-friendly glittery paper. The banner letters are approximately 13 to 17 centimeters long, and the garland includes 25, 2-inch diameter circles. It requires a little DIY assembly, but it's easy to put together and hang. Drape it from ceilings, walls, or dessert tables to create a festive backdrop. This kit will highlight your gathering and create a memorable Christmas celebration. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? It features a glamorous gold glitter finish and includes a coordinating garland. The elegant design adds a touch of sophistication. If you want to create a luxurious and sparkly Christmas atmosphere, this is ideal. What people say. Used it at the entrance to my husband's Mexican restaurant. Just what we needed. Good value, was surprised that it needed to be strung together. Was super easy to do and looked cute on the wall for our party. Bought for an office party. As pictured. Fast delivery. Number 2. Losea Feliz Navidad Door Decor. This holiday season, add a touch of rustic charm to your home. It's the perfect way to welcome guests and spread holiday cheer. It's made of high-quality wood, ensuring durability and a beautiful finish. It will look great on your door for years to come. The rustic design adds a touch of warmth and elegance to any entryway. It complements various home styles. Hanging it is a breeze. Simply hang it on your front door or porch for instant holiday ambience. It also makes a wonderful gift for friends and family. Share the holiday spirit with those you love. With its perfect size, it's noticeable but not overwhelming. It's the ideal size for most doors. What we like? It's a rustic wood sign perfect for your front door. Its unique style adds a touch of charm. If you prefer a more natural and homey feel for your Christmas decorations, this is a great option. What people say? It's made strong and pretty, like the color. Beautiful quality, great size, hang on my door. Es un pequeño accesorio que queda perfecto en cualquier lugar de tu casa para Navidad. Number 1. Feliz Navidad banner. It's the perfect addition to your Merry Christmas themed party. Its elegant design will impress your guests. Each letter is crafted from high-quality glittery cardstock, adding a touch of sparkle to your celebration. It's approximately 5 inches long. Hang it from branches, ceilings, or walls. It also looks great adorning dessert tables or serving as a backdrop. Simply thread the ribbon through the holes and hang it wherever you desire. It's quick and simple to set up. It's made with high-quality materials to ensure it meets your expectations and enhances your party. Your satisfaction is our priority. This banner will add a festive touch to any gathering, making it a memorable occasion. It's the perfect way to celebrate. What we like? It's easy to assemble and features a sophisticated glittery design. The elegant look elevates your party decor. If you want a simple yet stunning decoration that's easy to put up, this is perfect for you. What people say? I love the banner, very well done. I really like the banner overall. Combs and pieces a couple letters at a time to hang separately and string together to form the entire message. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.